Hey everybody, welcome back to our series on asking AI to generate safe, compliant images for us. Last time we did a site to see if it could do an OSHA compliant site. This time we are taking one of our brave volunteers here at HRP. We're using their company headshot and asking AI to put them in proper PPE. So we've got our staff here who's going to have suggestions for the kind of work we are sending brave young Mr. Wallace out to do and the proper PPE he needs to be in order to do that job. So we'll start by selecting our subject.
Start me off easy. Just put me in level D.
Yeah, he's doing some
stormwater.
Yeah,
just have me stormwater sample.
Add level D, personal protective equipment for stormwater, one word?
Yes.
Sampling. Okay.
Ooh. The outline recognition's a little off too if you look in the bottom right.
Oh yeah.
Whoa,
I have
He is PPE now.
he's fully transformed into PPE. Here he's gloves in this one.
I like that.
He's some kind of
That's a respirator
here.
mask hybrid.
Change into.
Just fully a
Now it's
mask.
just
Face
a
mask.
95.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mask.
so obviously our prompts need a little work. Person. Oh my god. Person in level D. PPE. All right, we're hoping that we get Matthew back. No.
Did it apply that to the face mask just then? Or
I
did
think
it
we're
apply
getting
to-
further down the rabbit hole here.
Yeah, I think we need
Okay.
to bring back my image and then
Yep.
tell it again.
Not sure what's happening there.
None
and
of
then
these
we've
appear
got
to be
I think
Daddy P.
Daddy Leapy.
Okay, so maybe AI not quite as easy to use as we would like to hope. So instead of selecting all of Matthew, we're simply going to select
The image, yeah.
the whole thing. Okay, then we will generative fill. Add level D PPE for stormwater sampling. Okay. Oh, okay. This feels like it's just a different photo.
Yeah, I don't think that's me.
Yep, that's not you.
don't look like them.
I mean, we might be able to say that's you. What do we think you're holding to the camera here?
Isn't it like a tube of some sort?
Yeah, it might. Okay, that might be a vinyl tube that goes on a composite sampler for something that needs a 24-hour sample, which really wouldn't be stormwater sampling, but it could be some kind of sampling. It's also not level D equipment, but
Yeah, what level of PPE is this closest?
You know-
A or B.
C.
How about our second image here, where I think you're adding to the water
Yeah,
here?
I'm not stormwater sampling. I'm stormwater
Contaminated.
Yeah.
contamination.
It also looks like you got maybe a
Is
little,
what's in this
mascara
pail.
or eyeliner on here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's looking
Getting
good.
real dressed up for the site. Again,
He's
we're
got an
thinking.
emo show after work.
What level of PPE would we say we're at here with this?
Probably
It's
C.
a respirator. He's there
Yeah.
at C.
Okay. Okay, I'm really interested to see what's happening in this other one though. Whoa, okay, so we had piggyback rides too.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Or possibly a conjoined
That's
twin.
what we were talking about
situation.
doing earlier.
This is ironically the closest thing to stormwater sampling, though.
One thing that jumps out at me is that I feel like if you're going to be in this level of PPE, then you should probably have some kind of seal around your sleeve and your glove.
Yeah,
That's
because this
definitely-
water must
Yeah.
be scary whenever I'm standing in.
I don't know, you might need to reevaluate the situation if you gotta put all that on.
Yeah.
Jessica, would you be able to, for the audience out there, run them through really briefly the different levels of PPE and kind of what they correspond to?
Yep, so we got 4 different levels of PPE. You got level A PPE being your highest PPE to protect yourself. And then level B, level C, which is, what kind of respirators for level C's? Can be half face, right?
Yeah, half face for C.
Yeah. And then level D is your normal average uniform, general Ward A uniform.
Yeah, you're wearing boots and
Eye protection.
usually
Yeah.
gloves, but that for stormwater specifically, I'd be wearing gloves.
So I'm asking it to put Matthew in level A personal protective equipment.
Now I don't know if it's going to apply that to this image or
We'll
it's going
see.
to apply it to.
Who is this?
It is
Who's this person?
That far away from me.
I feel like this person used to work here. That's interesting. This is just a whole different person. What level of PPE are we looking at here? Because this does not strike me as level A at all.
You know, I think that's some
Respirator
kind of
vest.
a fire helmet.
Yeah. That's a fireman that works at a factory. He's trying to do both jobs at once.
Here's something interesting. This is just a sign.
It's just.
Yeah, I just feel like that AI is not in English at the moment.
No.
Okay, how about this? How close to the mark are we?
All right, so that's the suit is not sealed. He's wearing some cotton coveralls. I'm fairly sure those are not sealed or protective against any sort of a
It's not
chemical
paper or anything.
hazard.
Nope. Might be stylish, but it's not working. We do have what appears to be a full face respirator, but it is either fused with the hard hat or the hard hat is underneath it somehow. So you're not.
Either way, there's not a good seal.
No, you're not getting the seal you need on this.
I think you have to say Matthew specifically
Matthew.
in the description.
Okay.
Add PPE to
Do
Matthew.
you think the computer knows
Please
who Matthew
give-
is?
If it's
Is
right
it
there,
safe?
it does.
Please give Matthew the correct PPE. So what kind of jobs could we send Matthew on where he would need specific kind of PPE?
Arc flash.
Yeah. arc
Okay,
flash.
yeah, that's gonna be cool.
For arc flash. Correct PPE for arc flash. Okay, so we've ended up with just signs.
Cyrillic.
Correct personal protective equipment. All right, I think it was a little unfair to expect it to recognize Matthew's name, although he is a bit of an influencer in the PFOS podcasting
You
world.
should know me by now.
I know you.
I mean, I also said please, which I don't think is helping, even though it's polite.
But I mean, sometimes I always tell AI please.
Yeah, don't.
And then I say thank you at the end too.
Be careful if you're being polite with your AI. You don't know what you're gonna get. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Arc flash personal protective equipment. Whoa, hang on. Who's
I
this?
like the second one.
Who's
Yeah,
this?
There I am.
You turn into a clip art.
Yeah, I did.
PPE wise,
That's the best one.
Okay.
How tall are you supposed to be? Because what is this thing you're holding?
Oh,
Flashlight.
that's a flashlight.
I've shrunken down to
Well, let's talk about the head.
Yeah.
not bad.
Big.
It's the best one so far.
Look at your adorable little blushing cheeks.
Yeah.
What a little cuties.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is that supposed to be the arc?
I don't know what's happening here,
Flash?
or why this is a cartoon.
Why isn't his hand attached?
I don't know. Why is he in a void? Who is this person? This is just a randomly scrubbed face.
guy.
It's a
Wait a
different Matthew.
minute. I think he's wearing the same shirt though. Is it-
Oh, that's the
It's a
shirt.
similar
Yes.
shirt.
It is
You
kind of.
cannot get away from this shirt, Matthew.
You know, those gloves are
Pretty durable, huh?
potentially compliant.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what it looks
He's not
like.
the balaclava.
No, he's missing that. You're right.
Yeah.
So we're missing the balaclava. The gloves we're giving some points on, but maybe not. How about that footwear? He's got some dad sneakers on. Would he need something different than that if he's going to be in this kind of environment?
Those could be steel toed.
You think so?
Kind of look like mine.
No.
There, that's great. I think the stamp could be somewhere.
Yeah.
What's the term for the electric safe? You've got steel toe, and then you've got steel toe. Then there's 3 letters after it. That means it's good. That means it's good for electrified environments.
It's a GFE.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
for electricity.
No, I don't think that's what it is.
Let's try 3 more here. Oh,
All right.
interesting. I feel like you
He's
should really
making the arc.
and not even looking at it. Like that's confidence. Although based on the face that's behind this mask, maybe he should have been paying more attention.
That was a little bit
Yeah,
scary.
well,
That's some Halloween stuff.
Those are
Yeah, look
Real
at the
spooky.
skin of the neck.
Oh God.
It's like Freddy Krueger's.
Yeah, Matthew does not look like that, folks.
Do they? I really do.
PPE wise, the gloves might be something there with the gloves.
Maybe.
Okay. I don't know about the full face respirator.
Yeah, it seems like
Not really required, but
I don't know if that visor's giving him any kind of eye protection from an arc. Okay, what else we got? Again, we have a cartoon here.
The cartoons are the best ones in terms of compliance.
I don't know. I'm not seeing any kind of eye protection here.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what's the thing behind her. I thought that was maybe a face shield, but I guess it's.
But it's
going
supposed to go on the
behind
front of
her
your
head.
face, Matthew.
Yeah, it's going behind her.
Yeah.
Head. And then there's also a lat. We don't see any shoes.
And then just gloves that are made of rope, I guess.
And then some earmuffs.
So what if we put correct clothing for arc flash, just out
Let's try
of
that.
curiosity?
Okay.
Or maybe like recognize the person in this photo.
Okay.
And then comma. Add.
Recognize.
Something like that.
And call him Matthew Wallace.
In the
with a
photo.
W.
No. Recognize the person in the photo, comma. Put them
I've never used it.
in correct clothing for arc flash.
Environments, maybe.
Environments. Environment. So hopefully it won't put you in a void again this time. Don't worry. Thumbs up. It's okay.
I don't know, Matthew does
He's still got
thumbs
5
up.
fingers.
Very out of focus.
It is
Thumbs up
fine.
does mean correct.
Yeah.
Of course, we don't know if you have the other arm still.
It's almost
That's
the
true.
same guy in every picture, but that's.
There's
not
like some
Matthew.
safety dude that did a ton of stock photos for
Yeah.
safety stuff.
So I don't know about this one. Some influencer stuff going on here. Zoom in on that.
What's he wearing on his neck?
What is that
Does he
symbol?
actually have?
Oh, he's a man of the cloth.
He is.
Father
Yeah.
Matthew. And then last one here.
Because he's got the priest neckband.
All right, you've switched races in addition to
That's a
being
different Matthew Wallace.
just a
Okay,
total
yeah.
different person.
I'm wearing a meter of some kind.
Yeah, so what do we have here? So we have possibly 2 meters
That's
here.
like a Tamagotchi, but it looks kind of like
And then we have over here, we've got whatever this is.
that's a garage door opener.
It's a compass sector.
He has some
It's
high
a device
mids
that's
on.
measuring the fumes coming off of it.
It's not zipped all the way up, though, is it?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's a violation.
Jessica, would you say that anyone here is prepared for an arc flash environment based on the PPE that we've seen in these photos?
Absolutely not. They would not be considered OSHA compliant. Definitely no jury, and I don't
We know
know
what
if there's a
that
wristband or
PPE
something
does. Yeah,
on this guy. If
Yeah, what do we
there's a
got?
watch or something.
That might just be his sleeve sticking out.
Maybe.
Oh, that's some bling.
Yeah, that looks like some kind of jewelry.
That's bling.
Should not be present in this. Might be missing a thumb too. All right, so once again, everybody, I think we're gonna say AI is a little bit further to go. If you need to know the proper PPE for the job that you're on, please do not rely on artificial intelligence. Rely on your consulting engineers, health safety professionals, and environmental consultants at HRP Associates. We specialize in this stuff. We do extensive training in it, which you can see on our website. You can get in touch with us. We'll have all that information down below. Remember to stay safe out there, everybody. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Bye.